new cable housing. And some of these road series. Okay, I need to make this piece now. And I got one piece to make still, and that's this. So the good long one I'm gonna make right here. That's this. These little rubber pieces. It just brakes on here. Front brake works great, just back brake's marginal. But get a lot of braking from the front. I mean, I can stop and I was blazing and I stopped in like 21 feet. I kind of just went back and counted off into, like I said, I was blazing at 30 miles an hour. So how fast can I stop if I put disc brakes on? If I, you know, what, you can have 15 feet or so? Are they not, are they that so what? I mean, they don't even think they make like a, you know, decent bikes anymore like that doesn't have, that come with V-brakes. I've seen some V-brakes they're still making this shit, but it's like cheap department store type bikes, and I didn't think they hardly have them, but kids' bikes had some of the V-brakes on them, I noticed, and that's it, you know, it's like, you know, I mean, everybody can't be wrong. I had a rode on disc brakes, I was out, you know, for 20 years, and then I just turned this into an e-bike, and I'm back cycling, man, so, dang, man, is there something, I gotta have some way to butt up to that that's gonna be decent. So now I'm gonna kill myself if I can move it. Lifting it up to work on it. Oh my gosh, what's that thing? I realized that it's sticking on the brake. There we go. around. You know, I get ready, man. I just knew I was going to get over again. So I was like, well, you know, that's so long. So I wish I don't have one. Very hard. I'm not going to just well. See, I'm around, seeing like it, you know. Then I can get my shifter over here by my hand. I had it moved in just so it wouldn't bind him when I turned the fucking handlebars, you know. He's sweet. And, good, man. Good, man. Move that the regular one, and then you'll spin and shift. So if we got a spin and shift going here. It was a 24 speed. I made it a 21. I just put a 7-speed hub on the back and put a real low gear. I got a 34 tooth ring on there, big huge one in case my battery's dead, and I got a real low gear to ride in on or whatever. So there's a mechanical, you know. And then I got a bigger gear. I put a 50 tooth chain ring on the front. So when I'm spinning out in that, when I'm spinning just good in that, good cadence, the motor's like top speed. I'm full throttle, spinning in my biggest gear, doing like 32 miles an hour, 34 miles an hour. And so you're kind of stuck in one gear. But if you got a big enough hub motor, you're stuck in your big gear. So it's like you can just, everywhere I go, I just stay in my big ring, you know, give a little throttle to take off, and then you're pedaling, you know. It's like you can gear down a few if you want, if you need to go slower because traffic or whatever. You're riding with someone that's going slower. You just gear down to that gear and then just blend your throttle in, let it blend in with that speed, and just don't work too soft, but don't work too hard, and then you just go. So, but I can't help it. I'm usually just in my biggest gear going, you know, biggest gear spinning out because it's easy to do because I got a motor. So it's like you just stay in your biggest gear and spin, you know. And as far as like being lazy or just like giving it throttle and not pedaling and stuff, that ain't what happens. That's why I was afraid of that too, but that ain't what happens, man. My heart rate's up so high. Your heart rate's up even more at these because you go farther and faster, you know, and you just keep going. It gives you this feeling. You get a relationship going with that motor, man. You're like, it's your partner, you know, and it's different than I thought it would be. And it's like you don't just not unless you're like a lazy motherfucker. I guess you might, but like I mean, I feel guilty. It's just like when you're pedaling and it's like, yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. You just pedal, you know. It's like it's the way it is. So it's like you pedal, you know. So it's cool. Don't kick us off the bike paths. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, there's my pedal. Holy shit. That sounded solid. My pedal's hitting this. Back a little bit. Okay. Let's on this here. Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. Boom. Front rudder's working, man. Okay, now. Oh. Rear rudder's working. I ain't getting that back up. That's big gear right there, too. I don't have a sensor. I just assist with my throttle. So I just blend it in as I need it, you know. And sometimes I'll be like, oh man, I'm working hard. And I'm like, oh, give it a little throttle. You know, it's just like, if you just keep the momentum going kind of with it, you know, it works real good. There we have it, man. I'm pretty fair. Almost set up, man. Fine tuning, of course. I mean, fine tuning. This needs to be moved a little bit. This needs to be loose. Yeah. We're done. We're done. I gotta take, fine tune it, like I said, and that's gonna be riding it around a little bit and then coming back, tuning it up a little bit, and out of here. 300-mile tune-up. I done burned the knobs off this tire. I got a new one coming in. It has bigger meat right here. So they make a great front tire. My front tire's not showing any worse for wear, but it's good traction. But it didn't hang for the rear, man. My e-bike just shredded it in 200 miles.